Hi everyone, Narelle here, and welcome to another People's Choice video. And this is where you get to tell me what I'm going to make. So this is the second one, and I'm not even going to try and pronounce that name. I'm sorry, I'm going to muck it up and then someone's going to be upset with me. So this person told me to use products or numbers 7, 28 and 39 and make a scrapbook page. 7 is cut aparts, 28 is a corner rounder, and 39 is a sketch. So really easy, actually, this combination, and I was very happy when I realized what those numbers were. So these are the cut aparts that I'm using, and it's the Vacation Range by Minte, and I can't wait to use these because they are beautiful. I have a corner rounder that I'm going to use, and then I've got a sketch. Now, this is from Scrapbook Generations, and I do apologise if this is from a paid class. I have them all scattered throughout my folder of sketches, and I don't know, some were free, some were paid, and I apologise if this is a paid one and I'm showing it. I don't show it a lot, so I'm hoping that it's not doing any damage. So these are the photos that I'm using. I'm going to trim these last two down to either 4x3 or 4x4, and then the other two, one portrait, one landscape. And in the sketch, these little squares at the top and bottom of that photo on the left hand page, I'm going to use the cut aparts there. So I'm using this, like I said, Vacation Range by Minte, and it's absolutely beautiful. And on the back of the title sheet is some cut aparts, but I didn't feel like doing fussy cutting. So I also grabbed the die cut packet, which has basically the same images already die cut for you. So I feel like being lazy today and just going to use the die cuts. And there's even a heading in there I can use if I want to for the heading on the page. So I'm just going to flick through these beautiful papers. Now, this yellow one I may use as my background because I'm doing a double layout. So the two lemons there may be my background paper. This one's too busy. And I want two backgrounds the same. So the pink here may also be in contention for a background. I love this hat, but it's not going to work. The leaves are not going to work for the mood that I'm going for. These are just beautiful papers. So, and they're really, really lovely, heavy weight. So they're the cut apart sheet that I'm using, and the reverse side of that is cut aparts, but they're frames. So they're just a little bit different. And then this is the die cut sticker sheet, or the chip cardboard stickers, they call them. And I'm going to use some of these as well. Sorry. And there's some great title options on here as well. So, all right, I'm probably going to speed this up now as I go through the process and making sure I use the cut aparts, the corner rounder, and the sketch. So I will be back soon. Okay, so I have finished, and this is the completed layout. Now I'm not sure I'll be able to fit both pages in the screen, so I'm going to try my best here. You can see most of them there. So you can see the large heading on the left, summer vacation, with lots of die cut pieces. And then on the right, I have the two clusters, one with the gla and one with the, what are they called? Flamingo. Yeah, so this is People's Choice 2, and I have just realised I've completed this and everything, and this is what I was asked to use, and I've just realised I did not use the corner rounder. Oh my lord, I just remembered I did not use the corner rounder. So sorry about that. I will definitely do another project using that combination and the corner rounder. But anyway, thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.